A license for iRidium Lite project is bought in my account on iRidium mobile website. To buy a license, authorize on the website using your integrator login. Select My Projects, then select Lite, then My Projects. Find in the list a project you want to license and share with the user. Click on the project. Go to the Licenses and Service tab. Select one of the three variants how to buy a license. First is to activate by code, if you have a code of a purchased license. The second one is to select from paid ones, if you bought a license beforehand. Here you will see a list of all bought licenses, and select one of them and activate it. If the number of sub-devices in a license agrees with the number of sub-devices in your project. And the most convenient way is to create a license. Here it is already written how many sub-devices a license will contain. My project contains 36 sub-devices, so a basic license for 40 sub-devices suits here. I have a server in the project, but I do not have commercial modules. If there were commercial modules in a project, the price will be displayed here. Click Create License button, and the next step is to pay for the license. What happens if you have already bought a license but then increased the number of sub-devices in a project or added commercial modules? A red notification appears in the Licenses and Service tab, saying that the license must be updated. Click on it, and the system shows how many sub-devices must be bought. Click Continue and wait for the invoice. Be attentive. A license cannot be deactivated. That is, you can't move an activated license from one project to another. But you can do the following. You can create a copy of an object and move another project to the current object where a license is already activated. If you want to buy a license beforehand, go to My Account, select Calculator, then click Lite and select what license you need. It can be visualization only, if only i3 Lite app is used. It can be visualization plus soft server, or you can buy at once one of the server hardware platforms. License type determines the number of sub-devices, that is, the number of actuators. For example, if you use all channels of a 6-channel relay, it means 6 sub-devices. RGB is likely to be 4 sub-devices. So, select the required number of sub-devices and you'll see the price with your current integrated discount. The more you buy per year, the greater your discount is. You'll also see here the retail price of the license. How a discount is calculated and how much you have to buy to keep your status or to move to the next one can be seen in my profile. If you click on the status, you'll see how statuses are calculated.